anyone have an idea? Yeah?
For fun?
Yeah. It's a good test of the mind, and you'll probably be the only kid in the class who can do it.
No, not really.
Not really? How many in the class?
There's like 10 other people who can solve Rubik's.
Wow.
In my class, there's like almost all students except one.
Really?
That's me.
Well, now you'll be
29 people in my class can do it.
Yeah, 29 people in your class.
Yeah, and including
I have
there's
33.
Because see, most of the students who learn so far, they would say only very few in their class are able to solve it. Okay, so it's good for you. If everybody's solving it, you have good competition there, right?
In mine, there's like 29 students can solve it. I'm the only one who can't.
Now you will.
Don't feel bad. If I was in your
Okay.
class, I wouldn't be able to solve it either.
Yeah,
We'll
same
sit
here.
together.
There'll be 30 students.
Exactly.
Good. Okay.
So I feel
Right.
embarrassed.
Okay. So let's start talking about the Rubik's Cube, and there are various different parts of the Rubik's Cube. The first parts are the quarters, and they're like on the quarters of the Rubik's Cube. So these 8 little cubes are the quarter cubes. These 8. So put your finger on a quarter cube. That's good. That's good. So, yeah. Yeah. And quarter cubes have 3 different colors on them. For example, this quarter cube has yellow, blue, and orange on them. And the colors on the quarter cube never change. No matter how much I spin it up, this quarter cube still has yellow, blue, and orange on it. And so there's another piece called the edge piece.
Yes.
And they're up here. Yeah, they're these pieces. And they have 2 different colors on them. So in this case, this edge piece only has green and red on it.
I was touching the exact same one.
So everyone touch a red piece.
Or red.
An edge piece, sorry.
Oh.
Okay.
And Om, to clarify, the edge piece is not only on the top, right? Edge pieces are every side. So every side you find one edge piece everywhere, right?
Okay. And the final piece are the center pieces. And they only have 1 color, and center pieces never move. So you see this is blue. I can just do whatever I want to this cube, and this side will still be blue. So one quick recap. Can anyone point to a quarter piece? Good. Now can everyone point to an edge piece? Good. And finally, can everyone point to a centerpiece? Point to a center. Good. So, and now there are also different forms of the cube. So, for example, if it looks like this, that's what we're going to be calling one side, one layer. And a layer is like, one of these is a layer. So if you turn your cube like this, so that you can see like the three rows, each row is considered a layer. So when this whole part of the cube is solved, that contains a layer solved. And what we mean by side means a face, meaning this whole thing is solved. Like this whole one part of face of the cube is solved. None of these would be solved, and this wouldn't be solved. But this, 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 this,